Hello guys, how doing good? Today I'll show you how to change your lock skin, and it's the easy, and I think you know, and if you know then you can ignore, and if you want to learn on these topics you can just stay with me. So why you want to change this lock skin? Actually, if we see everything every time and long time same interface, then we should the boring, and we want to just change the UI. So that's why we need to change. So if you want to change this, then you can just tap on the settings options, and then here in showing many options, and you just tap on the wallpaper, and this is the showing, and this is the menu option, this is the lock skin option. And if you want to change the lock skin option, then sorry, and just then you can just tap on the customize, and you can change many thing here, and also you can add widget here. And if you want to like Instagram, line, many apps, if you want to add, then you can add. For example, I add the Gmail, and it's done, and I just set on the current, this one, just set it. So it's already added. If I just going to lock skin, maybe this video will be recording off if I go current, lock skin. So I will add a screenshot on the last of the video. And thanks for the watching, and like this video. Bye bye.